Hello, hello. How are you doing today? So I have I would just call it like a mini Temu haul. It's not even like a big haul, but it's definitely a haul of things I've been wanting to get for a while, and a package has been sitting on my desk for a few days, but I've been so busy, so much going on. So let's unbag it. And see what it all is. It's an odd mix of different things. Some of it's beauty supplies. I know some of the things are accessories. Oh, okay, these are some little rubber earring backs. I got into these backs of earrings that have, I'll take one off so you can see. They're very easy to lose. These little clear things, and they're much more stable for the earring, and they don't hurt at all. And they have a big end and then a little end, so you know which way is up. I have many. You can also put them on the kind that have a hook that goes through, because I've lost many earrings with those types of hooks. Because especially in the winter, when you have a scarf and you have a high collar of a jacket, your jacket can kind of nudge the earring out, and sometimes you're walking or you might not hear it. It can fall in your clothes, and then later you take your coat off and somewhere, and then next thing you know, that earring's gone, and you're sitting somewhere like, what happened to the other earring? So I invested in some of these, and I'm gonna put them on some of the earrings. It's one of those things you do when you sit and watch TV. You can put them on the earrings that don't have backs, and so that's something. And you can get them very, very inexpensively on Temu. Okay, so then I also got some of these earring backs that also can be more stabilizing to big earrings that can that kind of drag the hole down, your piercing hole, I mean. And because what happens is I have all these little frizzies here. My holes used to be up here, and from wearing heavier earrings, they've kind of dragged down. So with these, they will help the earrings sit up a little bit more. At least they're supposed to. So I saw that, and these are things that are only like around $1.89. So inexpensive. It's amazing. Okay, so what else? Okay, so here is, I think this is, yes, a set of sports bras, and and oh wow, these have the padding built in. I usually take out the padding. These are my new favorite sports bra. Why? Because they have this mesh, and it is so comfortable. You don't have this all. It's not all stretchy material. It's just very soft on the skin. And so I bought a set, a black one, a white one, and what else? A blue one, bright blue one before. And then this time I got a black one, a white one, and a burgundy one. This is, so pretty, so pretty. Um, I might do, I don't know, I'm debating on it, a try on where I show this type of thing. I'm very self-conscious about my stomach, but it's looking a little better lately. So, it's funny because I'm self-conscious of my stomach, but then I have not had children. There are many people who have cesarean scars that run up and down. There are many people that have much more. I've always been self-conscious of my like stomach pooch. But then there's some people who have much more of a pooch than I do, and then there's some people who have all their stomach is like all loose. And I had never seen those types of stomachs because I don't have any friends that, I mean, I have friends that have kids, but where they might have the stretch and then the sag and then they lose weight and then they still have that. But I don't go out to pools that often, and I don't, and usually women whose stomach look like that, they're in a one piece, and there used to be dressing rooms where you'd have to undress in front of each other. I don't know if people don't, thank God for these, online shopping, and we're not shopping in dress with a lot of dressing rooms before, uh, but usually you have a curtain there, so you're not seeing each other. But some stores, they used to, there's a store called Daffy's, and Loman's, and there were a few other places that had these open women's dressing rooms. And sometimes women would be in there with their little boys. You know, there's little boys getting up, grown women changing into, like, sometimes you're trying on a party dress or something, and you know the people, like, they don't have their, you know, back then there was girdles, Spanx, whatever, and you might see some, you know, cellulite or some flabbier skin or whatever. This, but you know, a lot of it's just our image of perfection. So I may, you know, I may do something where I try these on or just show with an outfit, because this is almost a perfect match to my cranberry sweatpants, and that would actually be like a cute workout outfit to show. You know, so you know, I may do it. I may do it, and I'm, you know, we'll see. We'll see. If I'm feeling gutsy, I'm, you know, trying to do things to promote my business. So, um, but you know, every little bit helps. Every little bit helps. Okay, so I'll keep the padding in if I do that. Okay, what else do I have here? Okay, these are these t-shirt things that, you know, if you have a baggy t-shirt, and I should have drank some water before I came on, but I didn't. You have a baggy t-shirt, and then you can pull it through a little loop. We used to have these circles in the 80s, but now they have these different ones, and they have this one is a gold one with the, with a little bit of bling, and then they have a silver one, and you would, I'll just do a little demo here. You grab it here, and see if it'll work. You grab it here, you pull, there we go, and you pull it through, and that way, maybe you pull it through one side, and then the other. It should have been a little bigger than this. Let's see if I can get it. Okay, and then put it through the circle. There we go. Okay. Put it through the circle. Yeah, there we go. See? And then there, it keeps it. Oh, I got some powder, a little makeup on. But there, see, it holds it in place, you know? So that way, if you don't get a lot of t-shirt bunching of the edge, and it just keeps it nice, you know? So, yeah. So, yeah. So that, I got a silver one with the bling, and a gold one with the bling. And I cannot wait to use these, because I have so many of those super long t-shirts. Okay, all right. Let's see, like I said, lots of random things. Okay, I got some tint bottles. This is good for the shop. I mean, people don't realize the amount of beauty supplies you can get from stores like, places like Temu and Amazon. It's almost been like replacing, I mean, not totally replacing, but you know, same thing with these. There's some plastic caps that we use for deep conditioning. So both of those are for the salon. And what else do I have here? Just, my friends who like, this is another thing. My friends who like leather, or the faux leather look. I got a tank top, which I will wear in a video, maybe an upcoming live, and this has got a V-neck. Stretchy, stretchy, stretchy. So, yeah, this will match. This kind of matches more of those pleated ones, but I'm sure, yeah, see, look at that. So, that'll be fun. So, finally, I got one of those. And then what else do I have here? These are some, I'm going to try these out. I want to get a little bit more. This is a high-waisted undergarment. A high-waisted undergarment for, I know they look so small. This is a high-waisted one, because I have all the ones that are here, and you'd see when I do those dress try-ons how challenging it looks when you have on a tight dress, and then I have that line, that elastic line of the shapewear underneath the dress. So what this is a high-waisted, so that it comes right under here, so that when you put them on, you have the support underneath, and you can see how much it stretches. See, look at how big that is once it stretches. So I'll just do the other side. So for a dress try-on. So what I may do is do a try-on of one of those dresses that I did last spring that has a, where I had a lot of loose in the tummy, and show the difference between, and see, you even have a little bit of, there's a little difference in the, you can tell the front to the back. Many of these you can't, but this you definitely can, because they actually almost have, like, it's sewn differently in the back for your butt. And but yeah, that's very, very good. Okay. So I'm excited about that, because that is something I've been needing for a long time, and it was so inexpensive. Cheap. And then last but not least, see if there's anything else in here. Yeah, okay. Last but not least, I don't even remember what this is. Okay. Oh, this is the hat. Oh, cute. Okay, I have been needing a little cute hat to wear. I have the leopard one. So cute. These hats are really coming back in for fall and winter. And like this kind of hat, like I don't really like those knit like beanies. That's just not me. But I think this is so cute. I love this little, they call it what, newsboy look, but there was an influencer, a very cute young influencer who was wearing this in a video, and I was just taken with it. It was so cute, and I always like this. I have my leopard one, but the leopard one is a little bit more like that. I don't know, but this is adorable. This is like going to be my new winter hat look. So anyway, that's pretty much it. It was sports bras. It was like a little bit of everything, random. Earring things, Salon things. There was little plastic caps, and the tint bottles. Those are things that you just need to have in the salon. And like I said, let me just grab these and see if they they match. Oh, just slightly different. Oh my god. But you know, it can be worn together. Why not? It can be worn together. I also have some purple sweats that looks kind of cute together too. So I may do, and I also have some hot pink sweats, but I may do I might do a workout try on just to, why not? just for kicks. I don't know, just to see how it all looks, you know. Just to see, so get all the packaging and all that good stuff. So anyway, let me know what you thought of things. If you'd like me to see me wear any of these in a video, I'm definitely probably wear this in a whole outfit with the with those pleated, my newer pleated ones, or maybe even the other tight ones. That'd be fun. And definitely do a video to show shapewear and all that good stuff. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.